Hey everybody, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I got happy mail. And I got happy mail from our friend Tattered Tammy. Tamara, what did you do, girl? Oh my goodness, look how adorable these are. They're going somewhere up in here. Y'all already know. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I kind of have an idea. I have a thought, but we got to hang these monkeys up, right? I will try and figure this out, and if I do this right, I'll either post a picture at the end of this video, or if it takes me a few days, then I'll post it in my community tab. Anyway, thank you, Tamara. These are, man, Happy Mail comes exactly when it needs to, too, doesn't it? It just comes exactly at the day, the moment that you need a smile in your heart. And you did that for me today, Tamara. Thank you so much. Can we just take a moment? I don't want to unwrap these, but can you see these? All of these different bottle caps? I can't wait to do a craft with these. I've never done anything with these yet, but I am, can anybody say junk journal dangle? I'm excited for this one, Tamara. Thank you so much. Now, I love paper. And did she give me some paper? Look at this, y'all. This is actually, too, a perfect size for those big glue books that we do. I'm thinking Christmas glue books is what I'm thinking. And I need to get started on mine because I have a series that I'm going to do this year. Oh, my goodness. Exactly what I needed, Tamara. It is the darndest thing to me. Exactly what I needed. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Look how beautiful. I have a project I'm working on right now. I have 3, actually. A sewing journal. A plant journal. And what is the other one, cooking? Yeah, the other one's a cooking journal. I'm going to put these aside for that. We're going to use those. Look how cute. Oh, I'm going to put this right here, Tamara. See, everything is perfect. I'm always ripping little notes. And for those of y'all that don't know, but obviously Tamara knows me well, I love the fleur-de-lis. I do live in southern Louisiana. The fleur-de-lis is oftentimes associated with the New Orleans Saints football team. It's not necessarily the reason that I love the fleur-de-lis. The fleur-de-lis does have a history to it. So I've been fascinated with it for a long time. Thank you, Tamara. I have a little, you would not know this, but again, Happy Mail is an amazing thing. I have a small collection that I've started of some wooden fleur-de-lis pieces, and with plans to do a gallery type wall. So this is going to go in that stash. Wow. Isn't she beautiful? From a professional knitting mill. When I saw these, I'd never seen them until Tamara showed them on a haul video, I think she did. These are fascinating. I don't know, man. Oh, Tamara. This paper, this is so interesting to me. I've seen other creators use this kind of stuff. It like that in bigger books, and this is fascinating. Women's basic pullover, crew turtle V-neck. That is wonderful. And then there's this. What a great size journal this would make. See, I've got, like I said, I've got 3 projects going on right now, and look at me. I want to start this one today. As soon as I'm done with this video, I want to start this one, and I know I have more inspiration than I do time. But this will become a journal one day. Thank you, Tamara. That is, I think this is so, I love it. I just love it. What in the world? What in the world? How fascinating. Dressmaking pattern. Oh my goodness, look at these images, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. This is, oh my God, Tamara. Tamara finds the most unique things. And it, you know, of course, it's one of the reasons that I do love to watch her. This is gorgeous. Shut up, Tamara. Look at this, y'all. Look how big this is. So little, like 12 1/4 inches. 9 3/4. Boy, that needs to be a glue book, doesn't it? This needs to be a glue book. Tamara. This is so cool. Look at her. Oh my gosh, look at her. That's cool. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm off track here. Let me tell you, Tamara has a really interesting and unique vibe to her creations. It's, if you've never, I'm going to link some of my favorite flip throughs of Tamara's journals that she's made. And it's fascinating. I love to see her creations. When her videos pop up, if I'm not at work, I immediately go watch, because she just has the uniqueness factor that it's not a formula with Tamara, I guess is what I'm saying. There's not a formula. Every journal is truly unique. And I can't say enough about how she creates. I couldn't emulate it. There's no way. But she's artistic. She writes poetry. A lot of the time she'll put some poems that she's written in her community post. I'll see if I can link those too for you. I just can't say enough about her channel. She also sent me a book, and I've already used it. I'm sorry, Tamara, I couldn't wait. But just know that there was a few more things in this package that I already used. But look at these. Look at her share on these. How fun. Look at this. Look at these. Tamara, you're so generous and so kind to do this. And Tamara is the kind of personality that you want in your corner and rooting for you. And I'm so thankful that she's been here, and I connected with her almost 4 years ago. Thank you, Tamara. This is wonderful. I can't wait to create with these items. And these are spectacular. All of it is spectacular. Thank you so much, my friends, for coming along. I appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I really would appreciate it, though, if you would go click on the link in Tamara's channel and go subscribe to her. You will find her creations as fascinating as I do. I really believe that. So thanks again, guys. And remember what I always say. I do hope whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm going to have hanging my little monkeys and creating with all the goodies that Tamara sent me in Happy Mail. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.